it's Sancella. Welcome back to another video. This is Sancella and whatever that is.
I'm here with my cousin, and we're going to be making slime.
Subscribe to Sancella.
And subscribe to my channel, leave a like, and comment down below.
Subscribe to Araya.
I'm just going to put it down like this, like I did.
Okay, what are we making today? What are we doing?
We're making slime. So
I hate
what
you.
we're eating
I hate
is
you.
plastic bag.
I'm gonna place my phone.
And we got a knife. You're going to be needing Suave Kids, 3-in-1, and some salt. That's all you need. It don't matter what kind of salt you have.
Oh my god. I cannot put my phone.
Look at that.
Okay, there. I got my phone.
Okay. What I want to do is.
Okay, you can see me,
Yeah,
right?
like that. It's as much salt, it's as much Suave Kids.
We're making freaking slime. Hi.
You put is as much slime you're going to get. I'm going to put a little bit. I'll pour yours. Okay.
Yeah.
And then, so what I want to do is
Cut it in half.
For me, it helps me if I mix it before I put salt. So mix it lightly.
I cut it in half.
Mix it lightly before you put salt. Oh, I should have did it on the back. Okay, stop.
We both did it on the back.
Okay. Now stop. I said stop. Oh no, you did it the right way. I did it the wrong way.
I did it on the bag too.
No, I did it on this part where the flap is. Okay, what you want to do is take a little salt, sprinkle it in your slime,
and then mix it. You're going to want to mix it. This is a DIY, by the way.
Yeah, this is my own thing. I came up with this. I don't know if anybody else heard of it. If they did, good for you.
It's easy to make slime.
I'm not lying. Good for you if you guys saw this. And you guys did it.
As you can see, it's starting to turn into slime a little bit.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm having some little difficulties here. So
make sure it's like slime.
A while for me to catch up.
Flip it up and make sure it doesn't leak off like that. See? Look. God, do this. You can't see it.
Okay, there. My difficulties are a little bit
freaking.
Okay, so
as I can see, you see that?
That's
slime.
A little bit.
That's freaking slime.
Of salt and just mix it. I did this yesterday and my dad yelled at me.
Araya.
No, for real, he yelled at me.
Okay.
And hopefully you guys can see. If you guys can't, I'll come in closer.
If you guys can see. Look at that. Look at that.
Okay, so I'm just going
I'll eat it. I'll eat the salt.
Ew. Salt is delicious. Okay, so take more salt
and eat it.
Sprinkle it in your slime.
Comment down below if you want me to do the salt challenge.
Salt and ice challenge.
That hurts.
Well, you just said it.
I said salt challenge, not the salt and ice challenge, you dum-dum.
Comment down below if you want to see Brooklyn do the salt and ice challenge.
Nope, I want to do the salt
if
challenge. If
we at least get up to 1 comment, you have to do it.
No, if I at least get up to 12 comments, I have to do it. Yeah.
Okay, so
if I get up to 12 comments, I'll do the salt and ice challenge.
Just keep mixing.
Because people are stupid.
Just keep mixing.
The salt challenge is good.
Just keep.
If I get to at least 1 like, I will do the salt challenge because I love salt. It's so good.
1 like?
At least 1 or 2 likes. It doesn't matter.
Okay, stop now. Stop. My dad's coming.
Okay, we gotta hide it.
Okay, guys, so this is the slime.
Okay.
Right there. It's folded up.
Okay, I'll put my... Okay, you look at...
Thanks, guys, for watching.
Thank you for watching. We'll continue with the part 2 next time.
Yeah, hope you guys like.
In a little bit. Look at that.
Sorry we had to end it so quick.
We'll do it in a little bit. We'll come back. Look at that. That's slime. Okay, next thing I'm going to make out of slime is I'm gonna make Pantene. I'm gonna make slime with Pantene. Right,
Look at that,
here.
do.
It's right here, Pantene. Right here. It's Pantene.
Hey guys, I'm gonna do the salt challenge. Ready? You can't see, but very good.
Okay, if it gets at least 1 like, 1 or 2 likes, I will do the salt challenge. You guys are gonna see that in the next video.
There's Araya. This salt is so good. I want to eat it all.
I'm just making some slime for her.
For no likes, I will do this. I'll do the salt challenge.
Okay, after this video, we are going to do the salt challenge. So make sure you guys.
Araya hates salt. She hates it. She hates it.
It tastes like shit.
It tastes like a goodness. I'm weird. So say goodbye, Araya.
Okay, guys, hope you guys like.
Bye.
Subscribe. And if I get up to like 10 subscribers, she'll do the salt challenge. That's probably gonna be the next video anyway, because we're bored. So hope you guys like, comment, subscribe. Bye, peace.
Subscribe to Araya Nature. Thank you for watching and goodbye.